This lesson is called Mondrian Squares and Rectangles. Mondrian like drawing squares, rectangles, and lines and using primary colors red, yellow, and blue plus black and white. You need a 12 by 12 white construction paper, varying size squares and rectangle tracers, pencil, eraser, black crayons, watercolors, brush, and water. Okay, we're going to begin by tracing shapes. Go ahead and choose a tracer that you want to use. Place it on your paper so it's straight on your paper, no slanted lines, and then hold it firmly with your hand and softly, keeping the lead right next to the tracer, go around all four sides of your tracer. You're going to repeat this with many tracers until you have filled your paper up with shapes. Go ahead and overlap some of the shapes. Actually, many of the shapes, go ahead and overlap it. They can even go off the edge of your paper. That way it's going outside of the frame of your picture. I'm going to really load my paper up with shapes. Once you have really filled your paper up with a lot of shapes, then go ahead and get a black crayon, and we're going to do the black lines. You're going to carefully go across all the pencil lines you just made and make really bold black lines with your crayon. Crayons resist water, so it's going to help contain your paints. Okay, once your black lines are done, get ready to paint with yellow. I always start with yellow because it is the lightest color and it's very easy to mess up. Go ahead and paint several squares yellow, and then you're ready to begin with the red. Do not let your yellows touch yellows and your reds touch reds. Once you have got enough red and yellow on there, go ahead and start your blue. Whenever I'm painting, black is my very last color to use. So let's use the black now. Paint a few of your shapes black. Go ahead and leave some of the spots white. I hope you enjoyed creating an artwork like Mondrian.